With the 3D Tutor Greek Mythology stamp pack, you get 50 ready-to-use hide stamps inspired by gods, creatures, and ancient ornaments. Perfect for Blender, Substance Painter, or any game art workflow. Each stamp comes with a height map, color texture, and a mask, so you can decorate shields, engrave stone walls, or brand wooden props instantly. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use these stamps across different workflows. First up, decals. Each stamp comes with its own mask, which means you can project it directly onto any surface without altering the geometry. It is perfect for non-destructive workflows. Your base mesh stays clean, while you can stack as many details as you like. Next, you can use the stamps as material overlays. The Blender file already shows examples on wood, stone, or metal, but you can drop them onto any material. It is as simple as blending the mask with your shader. Third, let us talk about sculpting. You can import the height maps directly into Blender Sculpt tools, and you can push or pull into the surfaces to create engraved or embossed designs. This is a fast way to add high-resolution detail, especially on hero assets that need close-up attention. And finally, you can use stamps as stencils in Substance Painter or any other texture painting program. Load the stamp, position it exactly where you want, and paint it directly onto your texture maps. You can control the scale, intensity, and blending, giving you the total freedom to customize your assets. So, whether you're projecting decals, blending overlays, sculpting high detail, or painting stencils, the 3D Tutor Greek Mythology Height Stamp Pack gives you the tools to stamp faster and look sharper. With 50 designs, complete with height, color, and mask maps, and ready to use Blender demo, you will be carving myths into your projects in no time. Grab your pack today and bring Greek legends to life in your 3D Tutor worlds. My name is Luke. Until next time, happy modeling everyone.